Hi everyone, my name is Ashish Agarwal, and I'll be delivering this lecture to you. So before commencing the session, just a quick round of update regarding my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/Ashish Agarwal _GG. So if you haven't visited the channel, I would request you to do visit the channel and do like, share, and subscribe the channel. The channel is dedicated to Oracle Goldengate related videos. Thank you. Let us now discuss about include files in Oracle Goldengate environment. So a include file is a file that contains Oracle Goldengate parameter settings just as they would be in a regular parameter file, but they are in a separate file. This file is then included in the main process PRM or parameter file with an include parameter statement. So you can include a parameter file inside a main parameter file using this include statement. Using this include clause in Golden Gate, you can include a parameter file inside a parameter file, and content of that parameter file will be replaced in the main parameter file. So let me give you one example for it. So one of the major example of it is if I go to Gate1. So in many places, what happens is the extract process and the replicate process, they generally capture and send the same data to the target. But one of the major challenge or issue is, or not issue, the concern here is we have two two processes, extracts and data pump. So they are processing the same list of table, view param extint and view param dping. So they both are sending the writing the data to local trail and remote trail respectively for DEPT11 and EMP1. So basically the list of table is same. Now say for example, I give you one requirement wherein I have to include one more table in Golden Gate replication. So if I do that, what I need to do is I need to add the table in both extract as well as data pump parameter file, right? But my what I want is I want that I just have to edit one parameter file and then I start the process. That should be fine. So how to make it achievable? So to do that, what you can do is go to Golden Gate dir PRM directory. Here, make a directory, make a file called as table underscore list dot inc. So here we'll provide the list of two tables, DPT11 and EMP1. Now table underscore list dot inc. Now what we'll do, we'll go into the main parameter file. We'll stop info all. We'll stop both dpint and exint. Then we'll edit param exint. Here, what we'll do is we'll comment out everything related to the tables. Here, what we can do, we can use include and include a file inside a parameter. Dot slash dir prm slash table underscore list dot pr. Sorry, inc. This is the extension. Right? So verify this is the table name, right? Mm, table underscore list, yeah, dot inc. So view param extint. So we have included this. Same thing I'll include in data pump as well. So stop dpint, edit param dpint, and here include that, and then comment these out. Okay. So now what will happen is, say for example, a new requirement comes for you to add a new table. So what you can do is, you just first of all you stop these Golden Gate processes, then edit that include parameter file which we have created, and then restart these processes. That's the only work, instead of doing it multiple times for both. Okay. So now your DPINT is also running. Sorry, it's in stop mode. So now what we can do is, we can start EXTINT and we can start DPINT. So what will happen now is, whatever the content of that particular file which we are including, that will be included in main parameter file. So do view report EXTINT. See, we have included this table, we have included this parameter file, and the content which is part of the parameter file is now part of this main process parameter. So the include file is basically including a file inside a main parameter file. So include file is a file that contains Oracle parameter settings just as they would be in regular parameter. Okay. This file is then included in the main process parameter file within include parameter statement. So this is the purpose of your include files in Oracle Golden Gate environment.